My husband and I just got back from the most incredible vacation at the brand new Sandals Dunn Resort in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. We got to stay in the Tufa Terrace one-bedroom Skypool Butler Suite with balcony tranquility soaking tub, and this room was incredible. I'm Katie, and I'm a travel advisor who specializes in Sandals and Beaches Resort. Before we get to the room tour, I want to remind you to check out the description below where you'll find the link to book direct for the best current rates, or better yet, the link to reach out to me and book for that same rate, but with my complimentary concierge planning services. The Tufa Terrace one-bedroom Skypool Butler Suite with balcony tranquility soaking tub is located in 2 buildings on the 2nd through 4th floors. When you walk in, you right away are going to see the stunning bathroom with a large soaking tub for 2 and separate shower. You also have your double sinks and, of course, your red lane spa toiletries. I personally love the wood look tile that they used in the showers, and I love that you have 3 different shower heads, your rain head, your regular, and a handheld one. There wasn't a chest of drawers in the room, but underneath the sink there are 3 drawers that you can use for storage, as well as this big walk-in closet, which includes your robes, your slippers, and your safe. Moving past the bathroom, you have your bar that's fully stocked with liquor and your mini fridge with additional beverages. You have your own coffee maker. The butlers filled our ice bucket every single day. We actually were able to ask for additional things like an old-fashioned kit to make rum old-fashions, and they provided that for us. And you have these amazing dark chocolate bars up there. They will restock your mini fridge daily with whatever you prefer. And as far as the liquor goes, if you go through any faster, you have different preferences, you can request that. I drink Tito's, so they actually brought me a large bottle of Tito's when we ran out of our small one. Walking into the bedroom, you have your large king-size bed with double nightstands. I love that there's outlets on both sides and reading lights. The flat screen TV actually pivots, so you can turn it either direction if you want to watch TV in bed or in the living room space. You're also provided with a portable Bluetooth speaker that you can charge and take out with you to your pool or use in the room however you'd like. We were greeted with some nice treats and a bottle of champagne, which was a nice touch. This cozy living room area has a large sectional couch, and it's a great place to get the ocean views while still in the air conditioning. As you walk outside onto the balcony, here it is, the sky pool. It is absolutely gorgeous. We were on the 2nd floor, so I'm sure 3rd and 4th floor you have even more amazing ocean views, but we loved that we could see the pool and the ocean. And then you have your soaking tub for 2. This one's more oblong, whereas the one in the bathroom is round. You have your privacy curtains so that you can enjoy that bath however you'd like with full privacy. Thanks for coming on this room tour with us, and don't forget to use the links in the description below to book your next Sandals and Beaches vacation.